software and tools for Windows Server and Active Directory security auditing. Active Directory is a Microsoft Windows Server identity management and directory service for centralized domain management. It manages the authentication of and access to directory objects such as users, computers, groups, containers, and organizational units. AD controls can be enforced centrally using the built-in group policy management feature in combination with other tools. An Active Directory audit involves testing, evaluating, verifying, and validating the configurations, permissions, policies, and event logs within the Active Directory domain infrastructure. It aims to identify misconfigurations, vulnerabilities, detect potential security risks, and ensure compliance with security standards and recommendations. An effective Active Directory audit covers various aspects, including user account management, group membership changes, password policies, auditing policies, log monitoring, and vulnerability assessments, amongst many others, to ensure a stable and secure Active Directory environment. Active Directory might be the most used feature in Windows Server, but there are other applications and services that are also commonly used and require audit checks, such as the DNS, TLS, and NTP configurations. Some of the software and tools auditors can use to test, evaluate, verify, and validate Windows Server and Active Directory configuration and security includes Remote Server Administration Tools, RSAT. RSAT enables auditors to remotely review Windows Server configurations from their Windows 10 or 11 client PC by adding additional programs to the Administrative Tools section in a domain-joined client system, such as the AD users and computers, Group Policy Management, DNS Management, amongst many others. Auditors can be granted read-only access to some of the server roles and features for an independent review. Policy Analyzer. Auditors can also make use of the Microsoft Group Policy Analyzer toolkit to review group policy object configurations. The toolkit supports analysis and comparisons of one or more GPOs. For example, comparing a previous and current GPO setting. A report can be generated and exported to Microsoft Excel for further comparisons of the differences and similarities between versions or sets of group policies. LDAP Soft Active Directory Browser. LDAP Soft AD Browser enables auditors review Active Directory objects, such as user accounts, groups, and organizational units. For example, you can use the AD browser to audit disabled accounts. Audit user accounts set to never expire. Audit users' last logons. Audit users in a group. And audit AD objects created within a custom period. It also allows exporting of the audited results to Microsoft Excel for further analysis. The Local Administrator Password Solution, LAPS. LAPS provides an automated solution for maintaining and regularly changing the local administrator user account password on domain-joined systems. LAPS also provides a role-based access control system to manage who can view or reset the local administrator passwords. Auditors can verify LAPS is installed and securely configured in their environment to mitigate the risks of unauthorized admin access and privilege escalation. Advanced Group Policy Management, AGPM. The Microsoft Advanced Group Policy Management extends the features of group policy with change control, offline editing, and role-based delegation that enables efficient management and auditing of group policy configurations. Auditors can utilize the reviewer role to audit the group policy settings, change history, and the last user to edit or update a policy. Windows Admin Center. Windows Admin Center is a web-based management and auditing solution for Windows servers and client systems. Auditors can take advantage of the limited access and read-only features to review systems management, performance, and security configurations. Nmap and Port Query. Auditors can make use of Nmap or Microsoft's Port Query to scan for open ports and services on local and remote Windows systems. Nmap is a free and open-source utility for systems discovery and security auditing. It can be used to discover active systems within a network, such as computers and network devices. Nmap can also detect the operating system, ports, and services running on the discovered systems. SCAP Compliance Checker. The Security Content Automation Protocol Compliance Checker can be used for automated vulnerability assessment and policy compliance evaluation on Windows servers and client workstations. The security control checks are based on the NIST Security Technical Implementation Guides, or STIG, for Windows. SCC generates an overall percentage score and compliance status, so the organization can track their progress towards their maturity goal. You can enroll in the Auditing Windows Server Active Directory Security course on auditlytics.com or Udemy to learn how to use some of the tools to effectively audit the management and security of Windows Server and Active Directory. Thanks, and see you in the course.